Southern Israel is on the edge again. For the second time, and that too just a week, alarms went off near Ramon Airport, one of Israel's key gateway in Negev desert. The reason? A drone launch all the way from Yemen by none other than Iran-backed Houthi rebels. Now this latest UAV was spotted, tracked and shut down by Israel's Iron Dome defense system before it can even reach its target. Sirens blared in Be'er Ora and pieces of the drone scattered across that particular area, and thankfully nobody was hurt this time. But you know what? Let's just rewind a little here. Just a few days ago, on September 7th, another Houthi drone actually got through. It struck Ramon Airport, damaging the terminals and injuring the civilians, and that particular attack was a shocker. It showed that Israel's alert alarms, usually considered one of the most advanced in the entire world, they were not something that one cannot fight. People started asking tough questions. If Houthis can actually send drones from nearly 1600 kilometers away, who else can they target? In the meantime, Israel responded quickly. On September 10th, its Air Force carried out retaliatory strikes in Yemen, hitting what it called Houthi military and propaganda sites. But the Houthis, they didn't seem rattled. Their spokesperson, Yahya Sari, he even claimed that they had tested multi-warhead drones, a weapon that could split mid-air and strike multiple targets, and that too at once. You know what? If that's true, it marks a dangerous new phase in a drone warfare. Now, why this matters? This matters because it's no longer just about Gaza or Lebanon. The Houthis, who until recently were focused on the war in Yemen and attacks on Saudi Arabia, they are now openly targeting Israel. And remember, the Houthis, they are backed by Iran, which means that these drones attack, well, they can be part of a bigger strategy here, stretching Israel defenses thin on multiple fronts, be it Gaza, be it Lebanon, be it Syria, or now be it Yemen. For Israel, Ramon Airport isn't just another civilian hub. It's strategically important, often used as backup when Ben Gurion Airport in Tel Aviv comes under the threat. Now, any disruption over there, both militarily or economically, could have consequences. And wait, let's talk about the bigger picture now. The Middle East is seeing a shift in the way the wars are actually fought. Cheap, long-range drones in the hands of groups like Houthis, they can actually challenge billion-dollar defense systems like Iron Dome. It's an asymmetrical war, a David versus Goliath scenario, except David is armed with Iranian technology. So the bigger question is, can Israel keep shooting down these drones forever? Or are we looking at the start of a new front in a war that could draw Yemen directly into Israel-Iran battlefield? Well, only time will tell.